Join me as I take on the challenge of decluttering my entire digital life in just one day and boost my productivity like never before. In the digital era, it's common to be swamped by notifications, emails, and files, leading to a cluttered digital life that hampers productivity. It's crucial to regain control to optimize our time. Our digital existence is deeply embedded in our daily lives, as we depend on technology to connect, work, and manage personal affairs. However, clutter in our digital realm can negatively impact our overall life. Tip number 1. Declutter your inbox by using filters and labels to categorize your emails. This will help you prioritize your messages and avoid getting bogged down in unnecessary emails. Tip number 2. Organize your computer files into clear and concise folders, and consider using cloud storage to free up space on your device. Tip number 3. Unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters and promotional emails that clog up your inbox. Tip number 4. Use a password manager to generate and store unique, complex passwords for each of your accounts. Tip number 5. Take inventory of your apps and delete any that you no longer use or need. Tip number 6. Set specific goals for your digital decluttering project, like dedicating 30 minutes a day to tackling your inbox. Tip number 7. Use productivity tools like Todoist or Trello to help you stay organized and focused. Tip number 8. Take breaks from social media and limit your screen time to reduce distractions. And tip number 9. Set reminders to regularly back up your files and data to avoid losing important information. Of all the tips, I think the most impactful one is using productivity tools to help you stay organized and focused. Tools like Todoist and Trello can help you prioritize your tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress. And the best part is they're easy to use and customizable to fit your specific needs. Using productivity tools can lead to immediate results like clearing out your inbox or organizing your files. And when you see those results, it's a huge motivator to keep going and continue decluttering your digital life. In this video, we've covered the importance of decluttering your digital life, common challenges people face, and 9 practical tips to help you get started. By implementing these tips, you can take back control of your digital space and boost your productivity like never before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own decluttering tips in the comments below. And if you're looking for more productivity strategies, be sure to check out our next video on how to create a morning routine that sets you up for success.